watching. Today is June 3rd, 2020. We've been called by a customer who has a what they call a lull, a JLG telescopic forklift stuck in the mud behind his house. From what he says, we should be able to get within 100 feet of it from his driveway, and he thinks it's not going to be too hard of a pullout, but we won't know until we get there what we actually have. So we're en route now. I've got Austin with me today helping. This evening it's about 8 o'clock at night, so we're going to go out here and see if we can't get out. We've got some scene lights in case it gets too dark on us, but I really hope we're not out here too long. This is a rental piece of equipment, so I know the customer wants to get it out so the rental company can come pick it up tomorrow. So we're going to see if we can't help them out getting out tonight. So stay tuned and we'll turn you back on when we get there so you can see all the action.
And all the rain and everything we had, I got it stuck. I thought it was dry enough. I've been using it in the backyard all day today. I just need to get up over that hump right there. My wife bringing lunch, supper. Yeah. But you got it on camera?
Yeah, I'll record all of our jobs.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Why is that in case?
Insurance and things like that, and we also have a YouTube channel for more exciting stuff.
If I'd known that, I'd have, got cleaned up.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do anything for you.
Really?
Yeah. From where I'm gonna be pulling from, because it's gonna want to pull you into that house. You really need somebody with a piece of equipment to walk in here.
I need a cut. I need maybe 2 feet. You come here, I'll show you.
Okay.
If I could get it, say to here,
Yeah.
I can get it.
Get that winch line.
I mean, you can back the truck on up a little bit more.
I make him put it. You got keys that Volkswagen?
Yeah.
Will it move?
Oh, yeah.
I make him put it where it's at and come right through here
Okay.
and come right to it.
All right.
He didn't bury it yet. That's a good thing.
There's a hole back here.
That's a hole. Next thing, how we're gonna hook to it. We have to run chains around these axles. Well, I can run a chain through there, the 1/2 inch, if we can get something through there to pull it. Or I could put a rim sling on each side of this axle.
That's what I was gonna
and come around this housing right here. But put 2 on it so we have a bridle. Put 2 of the blue ones on there. That's probably what we'll end up doing. I may have him run his boom all the way out, because what that's going to do, take weight off the back, put weight on the front. See, I think if we come right through there, worst case, it's going to be that one little stuff right there. Because this is hard right here. Pretty hard. It's packed.
Yeah, I was kind of surprised.
It looks like it's wet. Man.
Yeah, right there a little bit.
Yeah, right here is pretty wet, but he's had his truck here. You can tell where he's been digging right here.
It's a nice rig.
Oh, thank you.
How old is it?
Oh, this is a 16 model.
I'm sure y'all try to keep it clean.
Yeah.
Y'all watch them yourself?
Yeah, we do. All right, go ahead and get a rim clean. Let me turn the toolbox lights on. Should be somewhere, wherever might put it. To the other side. You want to walk this and I'll watch. Make sure you don't pull too much. Straight to it. I'm nice about this synthetic rope. If it does get against this camper, it's not going to hurt it. I think he's there. Let's anything else? One of those. Prepare for a hard pull. And let's see what we can do with this thing. Might have to use this shackle to, yeah, run them both into. You know how to use one of these?
Funny cat.
Yeah, I have my 2500 over here pulling. Hannah was driving it.
Yeah.
And it was doing okay. It got it up about 3 more feet.
Right.
And then my truck went to go slide, and that thing, I don't know, that pull strap I've got, I thought I heard something. I told her just to stop, because I just knew that thing was going to pop.
Right.
And when it did, it was only going to go in one place. It was
Yeah.
right at me, probably.
One thing good, better a strap than a chain.
Oh yeah.
A strap won't hurt nearly as bad as a chain will.
I'm sure.
That's why we use all this synthetic rigging now.
remote control.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I hear you.
Which way you want this shackle facing?
The bow of the shackle needs to be with the straps. So the bolt needs to be towards the hook.
This over the bolt.
Yeah, just hook that onto the bolt of the. Alright, I'm gonna walk up here and check things. Alright. Hey, whoa. Hold on a second. We're not ready yet. Austin, I want you to go up there with my wrecker. I want you to go up there about that propane tank and watch my wrecker. And holler at me if something were to happen. That's real easy.
Ready?
Yep. A little bit more. Try to come for a little bit more. All right, good deal. All right. Get us over that little knoll.
That's it. I told you all I needed just a few more feet.
That's
man.
it.
It's coming.
Oh man. I'll let you get those straps off, Austin. Then I'll wind this up.
Now, do you have a way to...
How'd everything look up here?
Look good.
Just that one bank kind of got in the way.
Against the bank of wood, but it really wasn't bad.
I don't think it hurt anything. Well, it's close to that camper. That's one thing about the synthetic rope. If it touches that camper, oh, so just lean into that thing and pull it a little way towards you till I get through this thicket. There we go. I bet that's a fun place to bring this thing through right here, isn't it?
Tight.
Yeah.
I'm gonna move it actually. I'm gonna move this this weekend.
Yeah.
I've got 10 deals coming. I got some gravel coming in, and we got to get ready for the bring some rock in all the
Right.
stuff. I mean, to begin with, it's perfect. I've got a deck set up over there on the side.
Right.
But now we can't see the pond anyway from the deck.
Yeah.
I'm gonna use that deck and I'm gonna put it on the pond to make a little dock out of it.
Right. That'd be nice. Go ahead.
Good.
Record?
Yep.
Alright. Okay, everyone. We've got this good customer of ours. He's successfully out of the mud. Didn't know if we were going to be able to get to him or not to start with, but luckily we got that angle just right for that winch line to go through, and he is, watch this tree, we can get this on the way in. And he is good to go and get the rental piece back. It wasn't too stuck. It was just set on tops. Not too bad at all. He probably was accurate about the 100 feet based on what we saw in the winch drum. But we are on our way back to the shop now to go home for the Hope everybody's staying safe out there. And hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. I don't know when this is coming out, but I know right now I'm only about 15 away from 1,000. So I'm very thankful for the support and all you guys that subscribe and like and comment on our videos. So be sure to keep it up. We really appreciate it. And leave us a comment on this one. Tell us what you thought. So we'll see you next time on the next call. Most importantly, God bless.